So far, so good. Now, in the delta connection, we have to consider also other facts, which are very, very, very important. First of all, let's go back. Where is it? Okay. Let's go back. Sorry. I think I'm stuck. Just a minute. Okay, here it is. Let's go back to this connection. Now, we said we have a 3 voltage level. Now, the 240, okay, here it is, the 240. We have the 120, and we have the voltage between the B terminal and the neutral, which is going to be the VBN, or which will be like the 208 volt. Now, for the 240, we could have the voltage between B and C, or the voltage between C to A or B to A. So we have, like here, we can find that we have 3 terminals to get the 240. For the 120 volt, we can get it either from C to the neutral terminal, or we can get it from A to the neutral terminal. So for the 120, we have like 2 voltage levels, or two terminals. Now for the 208, we have only 1 terminal, which is between the B to the neutral. Okay, and basically this one is called the high leg. This one is called the high leg, the B terminal. In this combination, in this connection, it is the B terminal. Why we call it the high leg? Because the voltage between this terminal to the neutral is the 208 volt. It is the only terminal where the voltage in the delta is 208 volt. Clear, shabab? So we called it the high leg, and usually we can find it in the transformer, and it has even, you know, like they mark it with the red color just to distinguish between the other terminals. Okay, here I will ask you to look after which part or which terminal is going to be the high leg. Is it C, B, or A? Okay, I'm going to pause it a little bit and I will ask you to find it. Just for sake of time, I'm going to tell you I believe it's going to be C. Please double check. I believe C is the high leg. Since C is the high leg, assuming that C is the high leg, then the voltage level here is going to be as follows. The terminal B, here it is, terminal B to the neutral and terminal A to the neutral, or the grounded conductor, will be what? Will be 120 volt. So I'm going to write here 100. So I'm going to write here 120 volt. It doesn't work anyway. So the voltage here is basically 120 volt between line B or line A connected to the neutral. It's going to be 120 volt. Now the voltage level between any line to line, let's say I'm going to give it another color, red for example. Let's say C to B, okay, or A to B, or A to C. Any line to line voltage, the voltage here will be 200, okay, 40. Clear? So here the voltage in blue is going to be 120. The voltage between the C, in this case, I believe C is the high leg here. So the voltage between the C terminal and the neutral, we have only 1 terminal, and this gonna be what? Here it is. Where is it? Okay, between C and the neutral, the voltage here is going to be what? Is going to be the 208. Clear? So just to wrap up, we have the 240, 120 and the 208 volt as we can find it here.